Hey everybody, it is Brian Lauchner with NoteSchool. I am very excited that I get to be the one to actually present to you the full day Gold in Notes class coming up on Saturday, April 18th. I'm really excited. I hope you're registering for this event. We're going to be taking a real deep dive into creative financing and notes. Now, some of you might be familiar with these topics. Some of you are like, I have no idea what a note is. And that is okay. I'm going to introduce you to some of these concepts. And really, I'm going to take really a deeper dive into learning how to buy houses with creative financing. And really what that means is maybe you don't need a bank or a lender anymore. Maybe your seller can now be your bank. So you can be buying more and more properties. And this is going to allow you to get more properties done this year as well as next year. And really there's a couple of key features we're going to dig into about why terms are so important when we're negotiating for creative financing. So that's one thing we're going to talk about. The second thing we're going to talk about is really more money today. How do I make quick cash? I'm a wholesaler, I'm a fix and flip guy, or I got a job, I just want to keep making money. And that's fine too. I'm going to show you how to buy and flip, or like a wholesaler would, flip a note instead of flipping a house. How do we leverage this unique skill set to go out and buy and flip notes for quick income fee, like almost like an assignment fee, right? And so I'm going to introduce you to what that is and why it's so important in today's marketplace when inventory is kind of a little bit of an issue, right? A lot of markets, your market's a very competitive market. Maybe you're having a hard time finding deals. Maybe your conversion rate when you're doing your marketing is starting to adjust a little bit and you're not getting near as many deals as you used to. I'm going to speak to that, and I'm really hoping to show you a couple of different things that you can do to go out and change that. The third thing is this. After we talk about that, I want to talk about passive income. What about if I've got money and I want to be invested in something, but really the rental space, while it's really interesting, it comes with tenants, it comes with toilets, and comes with trouble sometimes, right? I want to show you a completely different way of thinking about how to become a passive investor, and I think you'll be very impressed with the return on investments that a lot of NoteSchool students are getting. And it's because of how we're structuring these deals, right? These aren't just regular wholesalers, these are deal architects. And I'm going to show you and introduce you to not just the topic, but where you can actually find inventory to buy these things. That's right. So we've got a couple of different things that we're going to be talking about, but really the overall theme of the day, I want you to just simply change the way you think. Imagine this for a second. Imagine you're a car dealership and you're trying to sell cars, but imagine that you no longer have the ability to finance cars. Well, how would a car dealership really do if it didn't have the ability to finance cars? Or maybe another example, imagine this, if you're a home builder and you're a home builder trying to build houses and sell those houses, but you don't have the ability to finance things. How would that impact your ability to move these houses, right? So I tell you that because the way I want you to change your thinking is now imagine yourself in a real estate business, like you are, with access to your own private bank. If you had a financial partner, so to speak, how many more deals could you do, right? And so it's that way of thinking that I'm really going to dig into. I'm going to show you that the world of creative finance could radically change your business, and I'm talking right away. This isn't, wait 6 months or a year to try to figure it all out. This is taking action right away. And the cool thing is you already have access to these deals. You just haven't noticed it yet. So I hope to see you on Saturday the 18th at the Golden Notes class. I'm Brian Lauchner, and I'm going to be there. You should be there too.